Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to make chicken Alfredo in our instant pot. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it and please continue to watch this video till end because there could be some tips and tricks to make these in instant pot. So let's get started. So put your instant pot on saute mode more and just wait for a couple of minutes for it to heat up a bit, and then we'll add olive oil to it. So to begin with, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and to that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of grated or finely chopped garlic. I'm just going to wait for a minute for it to saute a bit. A quick stir, and to that I'm going to start adding the chicken strips. Once the garlic starts to sizzle, I'm adding chicken strips. It is around 2 pounds of chicken. Try not to crowd them, and meanwhile the instant pot is still on saute mode. We are going to saute it around 3 to 4 minutes on one side, and I'll show you how does it look. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe to Kirtiskitchenkatta for more such amazing recipes. And I have 2 really very easy instant pot recipes. One is 4-minute mac and cheese, and the other one is just 1-minute shrimp scampi. So don't miss those recipes. Now our chicken is white, it's changed its color. We don't want to cook it 100% right now because we are going to put it on manual mode. So what we are going to do is we are just going to add a few spices to the chicken. It's still on saute mode. This is basil. I'm using fresh basil. You can use dried basil. This is oregano, and this is dried parsley. Everything is 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, and you can just eyeball it. To that I'm going to add 1 pound of rotini pasta. Again, I'm just going to add it like this, just like this. Let's add the remaining garlic. So I had taken 2 teaspoons of it. One we put it when we were sauteing the chicken, and the other 1 teaspoon I just put it now. And I'm going to add 1 full carton of chicken broth. It's 4 cups of chicken broth. Let's see how it turns out to be. We just want to submerge all the noodles or all the pasta in it. Turn off or cancel the saute mode, manual mode, and let's go down to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm just going to do a quick release. Just be very careful while doing it. Wow, this looks perfect. Now the Alfredo part comes in the picture. So I'm adding room temperature whipped cream cheese. That's what I had. So if you have normal cream cheese, just use that. Just make sure that you use it room temperature cream cheese. I'm adding around half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and I'm adding 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And I'm just going to stir everything. Just stir it. We want that nice, creamy, cheesy Alfredo. Wow, I can see the cheese strings already. If you want, you can put it on saute mode, but it's very hot. So I'm not going to put it on saute mode. You can see the chicken is cooked perfectly too. If you feel the water is excess, what you can do is you can just take couple of tablespoons of cornstarch and couple of tablespoons of water and just add it to it. But honestly speaking, I really don't think we are going to need it. Wow, do you see this beautiful creamy chicken Alfredo? I'm going to just take it in a bowl and I'm just going to garnish it with fresh basil. If you like this creamy chicken Alfredo in instant pot just in 4 minutes, then please do like, share and subscribe to Kirtiskitchenkatta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.